Hello everyone, welcome to Life Philosophy Talks. Want to avoid high blood pressure, high blood sugar, and high cholesterol? Japanese scientists recommend this vascular cleaning snack. Don't miss it. The vascular network in the human body spreads throughout, and keeping the blood vessels healthy is key to maintaining normal bodily functions. Blood vessels not only transport oxygen and nutrients to the major organs, but also help remove metabolic waste and maintain internal stability. However, as we age, the elasticity of blood vessel walls decreases, leading to hardening of the arteries, which increases the risk of cardiovascular diseases, particularly the commonly known three highs: high blood pressure, high blood sugar, and high cholesterol. This makes maintaining vascular health even more important. 1. 4 major causes of vascular blockages. If you don't address them, beware of a stroke. When blood vessels become blocked, circulation is hindered, which can affect bodily functions and, in severe cases, cause life-threatening cardiovascular events such as heart attacks or strokes. Understanding and avoiding the causes of vascular blockages is crucial to preventing these diseases. First, poor dietary habits. An unhealthy diet is one of the main causes of vascular blockages. Diets high in fat, cholesterol, and sugar can increase lipid levels in the blood, particularly low-density lipoprotein (LDL), known as bad cholesterol. When LDL accumulates on the walls of blood vessels, it can form atherosclerotic plaques, gradually clogging the arteries. Modern research shows that people who consume high amounts of saturated fats, such as animal fats, and trans fatty acids, like those found in fast food and pastries, are at a significantly higher risk of developing atherosclerosis. This condition not only narrows the blood vessels, but also reduces blood flow, increasing the chance of clot formation. If these plaques rupture, they can lead to fatal heart attacks or strokes. High sugar intake also plays a role. Excessive sugar can lead to insulin resistance, increasing the risk of diabetes, and diabetic individuals are more prone to atherosclerosis. Therefore, improving dietary habits and reducing the intake of high-fat and high-sugar foods is crucial for keeping the blood vessels clear. Second, emotional instability. Emotional fluctuations have a profound effect on the cardiovascular system. Prolonged states of tension, anxiety, or stress can trigger the release of large amounts of adrenaline. While adrenaline helps the body deal with emergencies in the short term, excessive long-term secretion can lead to blood vessel spasms, elevated blood pressure, and increased strain on the heart and vessels. High blood pressure is a significant cause of atherosclerosis and vascular blockages. Long-term hypertension damages the endothelial cells of blood vessels, making them stiff and narrow, thereby increasing the risk of clot formation. Studies have shown that maintaining emotional stability and managing stress can reduce the occurrence of cardiovascular diseases. Techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, and regular exercise can positively impact vascular health by stabilizing emotions. Third, age factor. As people age, their metabolism slows down, and the elasticity and self-repair ability of their blood vessels gradually decrease. Cholesterol metabolism slows with age, making it easier for LDL to accumulate on the arterial walls and form plaques. Moreover, older adults are more susceptible to vascular damage, which creates a breeding ground for plaque formation. Atherosclerosis is common among the elderly, particularly those who do not maintain a healthy diet and lifestyle. As blood vessels narrow, blood flow decreases, leading to insufficient blood supply to vital organs like the brain and heart, which can cause damage. Seniors over 65 are especially prone to strokes, so besides regular checkups, they should take measures to control cholesterol, blood pressure, and blood sugar levels to reduce the risk of vascular blockages. Fourth, long-term smoking. The dangers of smoking to cardiovascular health have been confirmed by countless studies. Harmful substances in cigarettes, such as nicotine and carbon monoxide, directly damage the endothelial cells of blood vessels, triggering chronic inflammation and accelerating atherosclerosis. Smoking increases blood viscosity and reduces the levels of high-density lipoprotein, HDL, the good cholesterol that helps clear excess fats from the walls of blood vessels. Nicotine causes blood vessels to constrict, making blood flow more difficult. Over time, oxidized LDL forms hardened plaques, leading to blockages. Statistics show that long-term smokers are 2 to 4 times more likely to develop cardiovascular diseases than non-smokers. Quitting smoking can significantly improve vascular health and reduce the risk of heart attacks, strokes, and other smoking-related diseases. Understanding the multiple causes of vascular blockages highlights that preventing them requires comprehensive lifestyle changes, including improving diet, managing emotions, and quitting smoking to maintain healthy blood vessels. 2. When vascular blockages occur, these 3 areas of the body may experience pain. If you're free of them, your blood vessels are probably in good shape. Blood vessels play a vital role in transporting oxygen and nutrients throughout the body, ensuring the normal function of organs and tissues. When blockages occur, blood flow is impeded, and certain parts of the body may experience pain or discomfort, signaling potential vascular issues. The following 3 types of pain might indicate blocked arteries, and if you're free of these symptoms, your blood vessels are likely in good condition. First, pain in hands and feet. Pain in the hands and feet is one of the early warning signs of vascular blockages. When blood circulation is poor, the peripheral nerves and muscles may not receive enough blood, causing discomfort, numbness, or soreness. Such pain often occurs when arteries narrow and blood flow is restricted. Studies show that as plaques form in the arteries, reduced blood flow to the extremities may occur, making this type of pain more noticeable at night when circulation slows down due to inactivity. Second, sudden chest pain. Sudden and intense chest pain is one of the dangerous signals of vascular blockages. Those who spend long periods sitting or bedridden with little movement may experience chest pain upon standing or moving suddenly. This could be a sign of a pulmonary embolism caused by a blood clot that traveled from the legs to the lungs. Pulmonary embolism is a life-threatening condition that can result in lung failure or sudden death if not treated promptly. Third, headaches. Frequent dizziness or headaches could signal a lack of blood flow to the brain. Atherosclerosis-induced narrowing of the arteries may reduce blood supply to the brain, affecting its function. The brain, being one of the most oxygen-dependent organs, requires a steady blood supply to maintain cognitive and memory functions. When blood flow is insufficient, common symptoms include dizziness, headaches, and even fainting. 3. Japanese research finds walnuts may be the cleaner of blood vessels. Regular consumption can prevent high blood pressure, high blood sugar, and high cholesterol. Walnuts, a common nut, have been called a vascular cleaner by Japanese scientists because they are rich in nutrients that promote cardiovascular health. Though walnuts are high in fat, it's important to note that most of these fats are unsaturated fatty acids, which are not harmful to health. In fact, they can effectively improve lipid levels, reduce inflammation, and help prevent issues like high blood pressure, high blood sugar, and high cholesterol. Japanese studies have found that walnuts are rich in polyphenol, which are antioxidants that fight oxidative stress and help prevent atherosclerosis. Oxidative stress is a reaction caused by free radicals in the body, and it is one of the main contributors to vascular aging and atherosclerosis. The polyphenol in walnuts combat oxidative stress and inflammation, slowing down the aging process of blood vessels and reducing the risk of plaque formation in the arteries. The health benefits of walnuts include: first, antioxidant properties. Walnuts are rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant. Vitamin E helps prevent free radicals from damaging endothelial cells, which line the inside of blood vessels. These cells are critical for maintaining the elasticity and proper function of the arteries. When endothelial cells are attacked by free radicals, inflammation and atherosclerosis can occur. By consuming foods high in vitamin E, like walnuts, you can significantly reduce oxidative stress, slowing the aging process of blood vessels. Second, promoting vascular health. Walnuts contain an amino acid called arginine, which the body converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a molecule that plays a key role in vascular relaxation, helping to dilate blood vessels, improve blood flow, and prevent arterial hardening. Sufficient nitric oxide production helps maintain stable blood pressure and reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Studies have shown that individuals who consume enough arginine are at a lower risk of developing atherosclerosis and high blood pressure. Therefore, incorporating walnuts into your diet can provide your body with ample arginine, supporting vascular health. Third, regulating blood lipids. Walnuts are a great source of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3 fatty acids offer broad protection for the cardiovascular system. Not only do they effectively lower triglyceride levels in the blood, but they also increase good cholesterol, high-density lipoprotein, HDL, which helps remove bad cholesterol, low-density lipoprotein, LDL, from the blood. High triglyceride levels are closely linked to heart disease and stroke. By consuming ALA-rich walnuts, you can reduce the likelihood of blood clot formation and arterial blockages. Regular intake of walnuts helps regulate blood lipids, decreasing the chances of developing atherosclerosis. Fourth, anti-inflammatory effects. The formation of atherosclerosis involves not only cholesterol deposition, but also chronic inflammation. The polyphenol, vitamin E, and omega-3 fatty acids in walnuts all have potent anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds can inhibit the production of inflammatory factors in the body, reducing the impact of inflammation on blood vessels. Regular walnut consumption helps slow down chronic inflammation, preventing the formation of atherosclerotic plaques and blood clots, thereby promoting better blood vessel function. How can walnuts help prevent the three highs? First, preventing high blood pressure. The unsaturated fatty acids and antioxidants in walnuts help protect the elasticity of blood vessels, reduce arterial hardening, and thus prevent the onset of high blood pressure. In addition, walnuts contain potassium, an essential nutrient for regulating blood pressure. Potassium helps balance sodium levels in the body, lowering blood pressure. Second, preventing high blood sugar. Walnuts are a low-carbohydrate, high-fiber snack, making them ideal for people with diabetes. The dietary fiber in walnuts helps slow the absorption of sugars from food, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar after meals. This reduces the risk of insulin resistance and lowers the likelihood of developing type 2 diabetes. Third, preventing high cholesterol. As previously mentioned, the alpha-linolenic acid in walnuts helps regulate blood lipids by lowering triglycerides and bad cholesterol, LDL, levels while increasing good cholesterol, HDL. Additionally, the dietary fiber and polyphenol in walnuts promote lipid metabolism, reducing fat deposition on the arterial walls, effectively preventing high cholesterol. How to eat walnuts for maximum benefit. Although walnuts have numerous health benefits, it's essential to consume them in moderation. The recommended daily intake is about 25 to 30 grams, or roughly 5 to 6 walnuts. Eating walnuts in moderation allows you to enjoy their health benefits without consuming too many calories. Walnuts can be eaten as a snack, added to breakfast, or mixed into yogurt and oatmeal to enhance your diet. Be careful not to consume walnuts that have been heavily processed with excess sugar or salt, as this can reduce their health benefits. Summary: Walnuts are a nutrient-dense nut rich in antioxidants, unsaturated fatty acids, and other essential health components. This makes them an ideal food for preventing cardiovascular diseases and the three highs: high blood pressure, high blood sugar, and high cholesterol. Japanese scientists recommend walnuts as a vascular cleaner that can improve blood lipid levels, reduce inflammation, and promote vascular health. By incorporating walnuts into your daily diet in a balanced way, they can become an effective weapon for maintaining vascular health. 4. How to maintain vascular health during fall and winter. 4 key tips for keeping your blood vessels clear. The cold weather during fall and winter has a significant impact on vascular health, as low temperatures cause blood vessels to constrict, raise blood pressure, and increase the risk of cardiovascular diseases. As the temperature drops, arteries become more fragile, and the risks of atherosclerosis and blood clots rise. Therefore, it's essential to pay more attention to vascular care during these colder months. Here are 4 key ways to keep your blood vessels clear and healthy. First, maintain a positive mindset. Mental health and the cardiovascular system are closely connected. Studies have shown that long-term psychological stress, anxiety, and depression significantly increase the risk of cardiovascular diseases. This is because chronic stress triggers the release of hormones such as cortisol and adrenaline, which cause blood vessels to constrict, raise blood pressure, and accelerate the progression of atherosclerosis. How to keep a balanced mindset. Meditation and deep breathing. Taking a few minutes each day to meditate or practice deep breathing can help reduce stress and lower the production of stress hormones in the body. Social support. Maintaining good communication with friends and family is an effective way to relieve stress. Social support has been shown to reduce stress and improve overall quality of life. Second, healthy diet. A healthy diet is crucial for protecting blood vessels, especially during fall and winter when metabolism slows down, and poor dietary habits can lead to abnormal blood lipids and vascular problems. Recommendations for a healthy diet include high-fiber foods. Whole grains, legumes, vegetables, and fruits are rich in fiber, which helps lower blood lipid levels and keep blood vessels clear. Limit saturated and trans fats. Reduce your intake of fried, processed, and fast foods, and opt for healthier fat sources, such as fish, nuts, and olive oil. Adequate omega-3s. Fatty fish like salmon and sardines are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce triglycerides and protect cardiovascular health. Third, sleep well. Sleep is vital for the body's repair and regulation processes. Studies show that chronic sleep deprivation or irregular sleep patterns significantly increase the risk of cardiovascular diseases, particularly high blood pressure and heart disease. Fourth, exercise regularly. Regular physical activity is one of the most important factors for maintaining vascular health. Exercise strengthens heart and lung function, promotes circulation, and helps blood vessels maintain elasticity. In summary, as temperatures drop during fall and winter, blood vessels face greater pressure, increasing the incidence of cardiovascular diseases. However, by maintaining a positive mindset, eating a healthy diet, getting enough sleep, and engaging in regular exercise, you can effectively prevent vascular blockages and keep your cardiovascular system healthy. Keeping your blood vessels healthy is a long-term process, and by sticking to a healthy lifestyle, you can ensure lasting health and longevity. That's all for today's sharing, and thank you for watching. If you enjoyed our content, please remember to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you can be the first to get the latest video updates. Thank you for your support.